Hey, let's do an application. Let's do this thing. This is from section 4.3, and I want to show you the tool, solving systems of equations. Being able to do that is a wonderful tool, and it helps us to take care of word problems. So let's read this one. I stole it right from your book. It's from section 4.3. It's a mixing problem. And I did a video in class where I did a different type of problem. So you got a little bit of support there to know how to do what you need to do in this section. Not a lot that I assigned. Anyway, take a look at this. Problem number 20, page 261. It says a cosmetic engineer needs 6 ounces of a 20% almond oil solution, but she only has a 10% solution and a 50% solution on hand. So how many ounces of each should she mix to obtain the desired solution? Okay, so, hey man, I'm telling you guys, you want to memorize when I do a mixing problem, I do that thing, Weber goes like box plus, those are the two things being mixed, and then over on this side is the mixture at the end, okay? And we perhaps learn the trick to go read the problem and go, she wants 20%, okay, this is the 20% over here, and she has to mix a, what is it? A 10 and a 50, so 10% mixes with a 50. And the trick is make sure that the number at the end over here is in between the other two. There's a, on the left, there's a high and a low, they mix to make a medium. That's what's happening, okay. The other part of this then is, what else do we know? She said, use the numbers. We use the 20, the 10, and the 50, but we also use the 6. 6 ounces of the 20, so that goes there. And the question was, and that's the main thing, when they ask you a question in a word problem, that's your variable. Here it is. How many ounces of each? I don't know. And I don't know that one either. 2 different letters. I can solve systems, so I can set this up as a system. Yay! Okay, I'm back to earth now. So here's the story. The bottom row is an equation, okay? Meaning x plus y equals 6, because I'm going this many ounces plus this many ounces mixed together. I want 6 in the end. So guess what? I'm going to write down x plus y equals 6. Okay. Now the second equation is found by the boxes being multiplied down. Okay, the second equation. So I'm going to change that 10% to 0.10 times x. 10% of that is almond oil, okay? So that's how you find 10%. And then plus, here's 50% or half, 0.50y. Almond oil pure plus pure almond oil makes this much at the end. If 20% of 6 ounces is, what that means is 0.20 times 6, that's how much almond oil you get when you mix them together. So these 2 equations will get us to the promised land. One of the things I get kind of impatient with is I have a shortcut in my head, and it says, we don't have to worry about decimals, do we? Because what I just did is I multiplied by 100 to make those guys disappear. Remember that trick? I like doing that one. I hope you do too. So I just altered the system right there. Now I'm going to go around here and go, I've got x plus y is 6. And now I'm looking at 10x plus 50y is equal to 20 times 6. Actually, I could have only hit it with a 10. Too late. It's okay. We got 20. What is that? That's 120. Okay. Oh, I forgot the y. There he is. You're good so far. I know. The system setup was what's important. I really love it. Mixing problems with systems, easier. You don't have to think too hard about them. Okay? Wherever the unknown is, put the 2 letters. All right, we're going to solve this guy now, and we've been talking about that and practicing it. So guess what? I'm going to come in with a -10 because I'm going to wipe out the x's. We'll do the end run, and it goes minus 10x minus 10y is minus 60, and below is positive 10x plus 50y, and this is 120, like so. And we add. Get out the green marker. He's gone. Looks like we have 40y is, what is that? 60, isn't it? Right? Oh man, I don't think we're getting a nice clean answer this time. We're going to divide by 40. And your calculator will tell you 1.5, I think. Okay. All right, we get 1.5. Now, with a word problem, we have to answer. But first, let's look at the let's figure out what x is. Well, the equation up there that's easy to see is this one that says x plus y is 6. She wants 6 ounces. The math is telling her you need 1.5 ounces of one of them. And so we're going to do that game of, oh, not that color. We're going to use that color. We're going to plug this in for y right there. So we're getting x plus 1.5 equals 6. In other words, take away 1.5 to find your answer. Take away 1.5, and we get, therefore, x itself is 5. It's 4.5. Now, answer the question. How many ounces of each does she need? This is for that final point and the victory lap. X is 10%. Y is 50%. So go back to this and go, she needs X equals 4.5 ounces. That's the X of the 10% solution. And the Y, 1.5 ounces of the 50% solution. Man, she'll hire you on the spot. There you go. That's how you do. Systems help you with word problems. I really think it makes you that much more dangerous. All right, that's that video. That's all I'm going to do for this one. So enjoy the work and enjoy the studying.